I have something special for you today. We're making vanilla ice cream. And with just 4 simple ingredients, this no-churn ice cream is an easy and refreshing summer treat. And the result is just like the ice cream you would grab at the grocery store. Easy to scoop and so delicious. The ingredients are sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream, pure vanilla, and sea salt. Now let the fun begin. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until well combined. Next, pour the mixture into a loaf pan, cover with plastic wrap, and freeze for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight. I know, it's a long time before you get to indulge, but it's so worth the wait, I promise. All right, I've had mine in the freezer for about 7 hours. Before you serve, you need to let it thaw for 2 to 5 minutes. This helps make those perfect ice cream scoops. Listen, you can use this any way you like. Share with family or enjoy it alone for a midnight snack. It's just that good. Scoop onto a cone or add it to a warm pie or cobbler for an a la mode. Also, you can use this recipe as your base for other flavors. For example, before you blend, you can add in some crushed cookies for a cookies and cream flavor. For chocolate, add in some melted chocolate chips or chocolate syrup. To make a strawberry ice cream, add in some fresh or frozen strawberries that have been previously cooked down with just a little sugar. And once your additions have been added, blend them together and freeze. The list goes on, and the flavor possibilities are endless. Just get in the kitchen and have fun with it. And when you do, post your ice cream masterpieces in the comments below. Enough talking. I have to let you go before this ice cream melts. As always, enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.